Lily, do you like coffee?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee almost every day.
Really? What kind do you like?
I love iced latte. It's sweet and not too strong.
I usually drink hot Americano.
That sounds very strong.
It is, but it helps me stay awake at work.
I can't drink strong coffee at night
Why not?
because I can never sleep after that.
Fair enough.
There are so many kinds of coffee now.
Yeah, espresso, cappuccino, latte, mocha, too many choices.
Emma loves mocha because it tastes like chocolate.
Really? Maybe we should invite her next time.
Lily, John said you talked about coffee yesterday.
Yes, he drinks very strong coffee.
That sounds like John.
What coffee do you like?
I love mocha.
Because of the chocolate?
Exactly. Coffee alone is too bitter for me.
Same here sometimes.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Usually in the morning.
I need coffee before work too.
John drinks coffee 3 times a day.
Wow, that's a little scary.
He says coffee is his best friend.
Maybe that explains why he is always energetic.
Emma, are you talking about me again?
Maybe.
That sounds dangerous.
Lily told me you drink coffee 3 times a day.
Only on busy days.
That's still a lot.
Coffee keeps me alive at work.
Which coffee do you usually order?
Hot Americano in the morning.
Always hot coffee?
Mostly. I like warm drinks.
I prefer iced coffee.
Even in winter?
Yes, cold coffee just tastes better to me.
You and Lily are exactly the same.
Hi, Lily. The usual today?
Maybe something different.
Really? No iced latte today?
I want to try a cappuccino.
Good choice.
What's the difference between latte and cappuccino?
Cappuccino has more foam and stronger coffee flavor.
Ah, okay.
Latte is usually smoother and creamier.
Then Emma would probably still choose mocha.
Definitely. Most chocolate lovers do.
John would probably order Americano again.
Some people never change their coffee order.
Hi, Lily said you make great mocha here.
I try my best.
Can I get 1 iced mocha, please?
Sure. Would you like whipped cream?
Of course. Life is too short without whipped cream.
I like that answer.
John says my drinks are more dessert than coffee.
Honestly, he's not completely wrong.
Wow, even the barista is judging me now.
I'm joking.
Good. I almost canceled my order.
Don't worry. Your mocha is safe with me.
Another coffee, John?
Yeah, it's been a long day.
That's your 4th cup today.
Please don't count.
You might turn into coffee one day.
Honestly, I probably already did.
What kind is that?
Vanilla latte.
Wait, you usually drink Americano.
Lily said I should try sweeter coffee sometimes.
And?
It's actually pretty good.
Wow, Lily changed your life.
Let's not say that too loudly.
So, did John really drink a vanilla latte today?
Yes. I almost dropped my coffee when I saw it.
That's unbelievable.
I know.
Next thing you know, he'll order mocha.
Calm down. That would be too shocking.
True.
But honestly, it's nice seeing him try new things.
Coffee really changes people.
Maybe coffee shops just make people happier.
Speaking of coffee shops, are we meeting tomorrow too?
Yes, John wants to try cold brew next.
Oh no, he's becoming a coffee expert now.
Hi, can I try cold brew today?
Sure. First time?
Is it that obvious?
A little.
What's special about cold brew?
It's smoother and less bitter than regular iced coffee.
Sounds interesting.
It also has a strong caffeine kick.
Uh-oh, maybe that's dangerous for me.
Probably.
Lily and Emma are turning me into a coffee addict.
Too late. You're already here every day.
Fair point.
So, how's the cold brew?
Honestly, pretty amazing.
Wow, another coffee surprise.
I think my coffee taste is changing.
Soon you'll stop drinking Americano forever.
Let's not get crazy.
Too late. Lily already said you changed.
You two talk about me a lot.
Only because you're funny.
Thanks. I think.
So what's your favorite coffee now?
Maybe vanilla latte in the morning and cold brew in the afternoon.
That sounds very specific.
Coffee is serious business now.
This cafe became our second home.
Honestly, yes.
We came here almost every day this week.
And we talked about coffee every single time.
You learned a lot, though.
True. Before this week, I only knew Americano.
And now?
Now I know latte, cappuccino, mocha, and cold brew too.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you, coffee teacher.
So, what did we learn this week?
Coffee brings people together.
That sounds like a coffee advertisement.
Maybe, but it's true. Now it's time to review some important words and phrases from the dialogues. These are very common expressions in daily English and real-life conversations.
Stay awake. It means to not sleep. Example: coffee helps me stay awake at work.
Too bitter. It means having a strong, unpleasant coffee taste. Example: coffee alone is too bitter for me.
Keep someone alive. It means to give someone energy or help them continue. Example: coffee keeps me alive at work.
Be exactly the same. It means two people are very similar. Example: you and Lily are exactly the same.
Try something different. It means to do or choose something new. Example: maybe I want to try something different today.
Life is too short. It means we should enjoy life and not worry too much. Example: life is too short without whipped cream.
Turn into. It means to become something different. Example: you might turn into coffee one day.
Be proud of someone. It means to feel happy because someone did well. Example: I'm proud of you.
Bring people together. It means to help people connect or spend time together. Example: coffee brings people together.
Serious business. It means something is very important. Example: coffee is serious business now.
Foam. It means the soft bubbles on top of coffee. Example: cappuccino has more foam.
Energetic. It means full of energy. Example: he is always energetic after coffee.
Whipped cream. It means sweet, soft cream on top of drinks. Example: can I get extra whipped cream?
Barista. It means a person who makes and serves coffee. Example: the barista made a great latte.
Brew. It means to make coffee or tea. Example: he likes to brew coffee at home.
Keep practicing these phrases again and again until they become natural for you in real-life conversations. See you again in the next lesson. Keep practicing and don't give up.